Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Dodge Challenger exhaust. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, 13mm and 15mm sockets, an extension, and penetrating lubricant. You will also need a rubber mallet or dead blow hammer and an exhaust hanger removal tool. Safely lift your Challenger using a jack and secure it with jack stands, ensuring ample working space underneath. Begin by thoroughly spraying all exhaust hangers and clamps with penetrating lubricant. This helps loosen any rust or stubborn connections. Next, locate the clamps securing your exhaust tips. Each tip is typically held by one 13mm bolt. Loosen and remove these bolts, then gently tap the tips with a rubber mallet to free them. Now, use your hanger removal tool to pop the rubber isolators off the metal hangers. With the tips and initial hangers disconnected, support the entire exhaust system using pole jacks or sturdy stands. This prevents it from dropping unexpectedly. Now, focus on the mid-pipe or X-pipe clamps, loosening their 15mm bolts. Next, remove the two 13mm bolts that secure each muffler hanger assembly directly to the chassis. These are usually found above the mufflers. Once all connections are loose, carefully wiggle the entire exhaust system side to side and pull it backward to separate it from the catalytic converters. This can be challenging, so an extra set of hands is highly recommended, as the complete catback system can weigh around 60 pounds. Slowly lower the exhaust to the ground. Before installing a new system, inspect all mounting points and clean any rust or debris for a smooth reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.